Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about real NEET preparation, real struggle and real consistency. Today is 14 December 2025 and this is the day 1 of my 80 days NEET 2026 syllabus completion challenge. Yes, 80 days. One goal, one dream to crack NEET 2026. Honestly, it's not easy, but after everything I have been through, I realized one thing: waiting for the perfect time will never work. I was admitted to the hospital for some time, and because of that, I missed many important lectures. Backlog increased, and confidence went down. But today I decided I will not give up. This challenge is not to prove anything to others. It is to prove something to myself. I have made a very clear and simple plan. In next 80 to 90 days, I will complete my entire NEET 2026 syllabus. My rule is simple: one day one chapter. No over planning, no pressure, only deep study and full focus. I want quality, not just completion. So, today is day 1 and I am starting with chemistry. Chapter 1: Some basic concept of chemistry. This chapter is extremely important because it builds the foundation of chemistry. Today my complete focus is on watching all lectures that I missed while I was in hospital, clearing all backlogs of mole concept, practicing previous year questions properly, not just reading the answer. I'm studying very nicely and patiently because if basics are strong, everything becomes easier later. I'm not studying for 12 to 14 hours blindly. I'm watching lectures with full attention, making short notes, solving questions after every topic, revising before sleeping. Consistency is more important than long hours. And tomorrow is already decided. 15th December 2025, I'm gonna cover Botany 1 chapter, Living World. Again, one day one chapter, full focus. If you are also preparing for NEET, if you are also having backlog, and if you are also starting late, subscribe to this channel and become a part of my journey. And let's see together, can I really complete my syllabus in 80 days? I will upload daily updates, honest progress and real motivation. This time we have to give our 200%. No excuse, no skipping days, no running away from hard chapter. Because NEET doesn't care about problems, it cares about our preparation. I know it's tough, I know sometimes we feel tired. But remember, with a strong determination, discipline and hard work, doctor banna possible. So don't stop and don't doubt yourself. This was the day 1 of my 80 days NEET 2026 syllabus completion challenge. So stay tuned for more update. Tomorrow is Botany Day. Until then, keep hustling future doctors.